You'll see a variety of pine trees, including pinyon, big cone, lodgepole, and white fir. Natural residents of the high country include deer, mountain lion, fox, bobcat, raccoon, and the California gray squirrel.
Probably see our hotel in the airfield from here.
The smallest of 5 towers is tower number 4, 57.5 feet tall, located at an elevation of 7,576 feet above sea level. From there, the view is truly spectacular. Below, you will be able to see the many desert cities of the Coachella Valley, and as far south as the Salton Sea, some 50 miles away. Off to the left of our travel is Coffin Craig, named in honor of Coffin. And to the right of our travel is San Gorgonio at 11,499 feet, the tallest mountain in Southern California. We are nearing the end of our journey now. Within the state park and wilderness are more than 54 miles of summer hiking trails and, in winter, many miles of snowshoe cross-country ski opportunity. This is, by the way, one of the very few pristine wilderness areas in Southern California and has been designated a national monument. Moderately easy trails can be found in Long Valley just behind and below the mountain station. For those who wish to venture beyond the mountain station, be sure you wear the proper clothing and hiking.
Alrighty folks, I'm only going to be opening the doors to my right. Everyone